Hi, I'm Benny, here for Make Noise Pro Audio. Are you working on a smaller desktop audio interface, perhaps with a limited amount of inputs and outputs, but you want to integrate outboard equipment into your DAW-based studio setup? Well, then the FreqInOut FO1 from Freqport, catchy name, might just be what you're looking for. FreqInOut aims to make hardware inserting your favorite analog equipment easy by placing 32-bit 192 kHz AD-DA conversion and 4-line input and line outputs on TRS connections within a small desktop bus-powered enclosure. Using Freqport's analog harmony technology, FO1 connects to your computer over USB-C, directly interfacing it into your DAW via the FreqInOut plugin. It pairs up with your existing interface rather than replacing it, giving you an additional 4 channels of dedicated hardware insert points to be utilized as you see fit, whether that be 4 mono channels, 2 stereo pairs, or a mix of mono and stereo. Use the global hardware configuration menu to name ports, link stereo pairs, and apply output and input trim that can be semi-permanently saved to FO1. Loading the FreqInOut plugin onto a track automatically routes that signal to FO1, converting it to analog and back to digital along the way, whilst also automatically compensating for any incurred latency. Just select which device you want to route to, and Freqport handles the rest. Up to 4 instances of the plugin can run on different channels at the same time if you are routing to 4 mono devices. Of course, that halves to 2 plugins for dual stereo operation. Using 1 instance of the plugin and engaging analog matrix mode lets us route a single DAW track to all of the devices connected to FO1 in any order that we like. Rearrange the signal chain simply by dragging the devices into the desired order. We can even gain stage between devices by adjusting the output gain of each device. Using the analog matrix eliminates any additional and unnecessary stages of conversion. The hardware mix knob lets you blend your analog processed signal back into the dry, and engaging the mid-side button decodes stereo signals into an MS signal, allowing for creative mid-side mixing using hardware that normally would not support it. You can even upload photos of your equipment directly into the plugin by scanning a QR code with your phone. Very handy for recalling settings. So, what gear will you be dropping onto your mixes? That's the FreqInOut FO1 from Freqport. Catchy name.